Hello everyone, my name is Chad. I'm a student at Walsh University, and today we will be talking about the importance of apple trees. They belong to the family Rosaceae, and they are also a part of the genus Malus. So let's go find one. So here we have an apple tree, and there are a few easily identifiable characteristics here we can look at. First, the leaves on the apple tree are alternate, so for each node there is one leaf. Here we have one node, one leaf, one node, one leaf, and that's alternate. When we look at the leaves themselves, they have to be crenately toothed, so the ridges on the margins there are crenate. Also, the veins themselves are pinnately veined, so we have the lateral vein stretching from the petiole to the apex, and from this lateral vein we have all of the other branching veins instead of all of the veins branching from the petiole itself. And one last thing we can look at is the flowers themselves. Now, the petals are falling off the flowers right now because it is the end of May and they've almost all been pollinated, but here we have one remaining flower and it has 5 petals. And the apple tree will have pink to red to white petals. Here we have the flowers with the petals that have fallen off and they have been pollinated. Now, the fruit type for the apple tree is the pome, which is a fleshy matter around a hollow or seed-ridden core, and we can see these have already been pollinated. The fruit is hanging out there right inside the carpel of the flower. So apple trees have the ability to hybridize, which means they can crossbreed between species. This creates a lot of variation, and it also makes it hard to decipher which species is which, but we can always just assume they are all part of the Malus genus. Now, the apple trees cultivated by tree farmers, these are part of the Malus domestica. Now, the Malus domestica is a monoculture because all of the trees are genetically the same. This is produced by a technique called grafting, which farmers use to create the same results across a large area. Now, this is super important because the apple tree, in fact, is the most important fruit tree crop in the world. And you may be saying, what about the banana tree? Well, that's technically not a tree, so the apple tree wins. Thanks for watching.